Okay, we're back now, and
we're back.
yeah, and I told Colton we just need to pause that and say we need to make a pause for the cause. Not what he said. So anyway, so it's a little bit better. Like I said, hey y'all, this is real. We don't edit anything. Yeah, it's just like yeah, we need to pause for the cause. No, I need to go pee. But anyway.
I could have said it something else.
Something else? No, don't say no. No.
But anyways, continuing on. Now we need 2 of these things.
And those are just like caps.
Yeah.
That's why I think they are just cap covers.
And from what I can see, they go on, yeah, these pegs here. Just like that.
So now you got one more to put on. And it feels like it's secure once it's snapped in.
Yeah. Okay. So now we got this done.
So now we're moving. All right. To do a recap, we finished section 1. We finished section 2. Now we're going to section 3.
Yes.
Okay.
So we need,
Yeah, this film.
C16 and C15.
So I hope everybody's ready, getting there for the holidays and stuff like that. There's still some things I need to take care of before Christmas. Bless you. Yeah, I think that was Alexis just said you're welcome. I'm not sure. I think Alexis said bless you. Anyway.
Okay, and now we need,
Let's see, there should be a back plate too.
We do need this cockpit here.
Okay. There should be that back plate, right? Should be right here.
Yes.
And there's back plate.
Yes.
And now he's got to shave it down some. So I couldn't find the star for the tree that we normally put on. So I found another star, so I had to make it work. So it doesn't blink like the other one. Of course, I could probably fix that if I put a blinker flasher in it, but I just haven't done it.
Okay. And this is going to attach to these holes into these tabs.
Right, and that should secure everything in place. That's what it looks like.
There we go. Okay. There we go. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need C20 and C19.
C20 and C19. And I see you. Anyway.
Which are these two?
Yeah, those two. But I got a little bit of time off, so I'm glad to have extra time with my kids. And y'all know what I'm talking about. I call them my kids, although they are adults now. They're no longer teenagers or anything like that, but they'll always be my kids. So y'all know what I'm talking about. So, give us a feedback if y'all would want to see us build together more stuff. Some of it may be more complex, and then some of it may be really easy. I don't know. I saw this over there at NerdCon, and I was like, Colton, we're going to put this together.
And now we're gonna...
Looks like the bottom jaw, but I could be wrong.
We're gonna do this, I think.
Let's see here. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay.
I think put them here and put this up over I'm trying. Oh, okay. 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 I had this flip the other way around. So put these over here and these attached to here. Yeah.
Wait, this looks like it should go right there. Yeah. Does it? I think you have the wrong one. Take that one off. Put the other one on. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I had the wrong side on.
And there should be a cap or something like that. Yeah, and there is. One of these caps go right there. Yes. And that's what holds it in place. Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
And then take the cockpit and attach it here to make it that. Okay.
You need me to hold something?
I think yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
And then attach this onto here.
And then the bottom jaw squeezes in.
And the bottom jaw squeezes in.
And then you put a cap in to hold that. There you go. You're awesome possum. go.
And now we need A5 and A6.
A5 and A6. Right there.
Here and here.
Yep. There and there. There and there. I had to go to Texas City about a week ago or about 2 weeks ago. I don't forgot. Y'all, I had half of my birth certificate and I had to go get the other half of my birth certificate. I had to go all the way pretty much to Texas City to get it.
And these attach to here. Yes.
All right. All right. And that's what we have so far. And that completes panel 3.
Yes.
Now we're going to shift to panel 4.
Panel 4.
Okay. Now this is more the outer body wear.
And we need 2 of these.
Since the weather's been changing, y'all, my knee has been giving me a fit. Oh, because this weather cannot make up its mind if it wants to warm up some or stay cold. So basically my joints feel like one big ball of yo-yo right now for the people who's... Oh, man. So anyway, if I sit real long, my knee starts acting up and I have to stand up, so... Just comes with the territory of getting old.
And now we need B9 and B10.
B9 and B10. I need a lot of B12. No, really, I forgot what that was. Anyway.
These 2.
Those 2. Yeah, I need to check on your mom when we get finished with this. Oh, yeah.
And now just
That's the arms. That's the little step arms. I know what those are. Those are legs. I know what those are. Those are legs. Anyway, what else? So Colton, how you been doing?
I have been really good.
You've been really good? Oh, okay.
Minus the cough.
Minus the cough
that I've had.
that you've had. So, anyway. Let us know down in the comments below how are y'all doing? What do y'all want to see more of us do reviews on? Because I'd like to know. I think Colton would like to know too.
Yes.
You know, let us know.
Okay. Now we take this and attach it to. Yeah.
Is it like that? Okay.
Yeah, okay. Right there.
Or you...
Or.
No, I don't think so. Okay. I don't
Okay.
think so. Let's see. Wait. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Let me find... Let me look at this right quick. What is the end? Okay. These are the forwards. So it's this right here that...
Goes into that hole.
Yeah, let me see. Because that is the end right there. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. There it is, right there. Okay, there it is.
There we go.
Yes, there it is. Yes, that's it. That's it.
And then do the same thing on the other one.
Yes.
This peg and that hole there.
Yes. And then it looks like you have some caps to put in, both of them. Caps go in right there. Yes. Caps go in right there on both of them.
Yes. And
Caps go in right there.
And right here.
Right here, right there, right everywhere. Right. Okay. That in itself kind of reminds me of Triptychon.
Yes.
We'll have to see, because Triptychon's got almost the same, but I understand why they do it too, because of balance and stuff like that.
Right.
It's just very hard for them to walk without that type of structure back then. So, okay.
Now, I think we're going to do the arms.
Okay. That's...
We need... Okay,
Yeah,
A and B.
A and right there. That's them.
Okay.
Yes.
We need four of these.
4 of them. There's going to be more stuff this year that we're going to be getting and tackling into, besides more G.I. Joes and other stuff. And we're also going to be handling a bunch of rarity items too. So, like I said, always Transformers, but there's other things that we need to touch up on that's going to be coming up this year. And some of this stuff actually has amazing stories behind them. Some of this stuff, actually, the toy line come out before the cartoon. Go ahead.
And we also need the A parts, which are these here.
So, some of this stuff, like I said, some of this stuff in the 80s was just quickly get it the syndication and put on TV as quick as possible. The stories actually came later. The stories, we kind of did stuff backwards back then. As you find out, we actually had a toy line that come out in 1980s that looked nothing like the cartoon, only except the vehicles. But we didn't understand the toys at the time before the cartoon, and when the cartoon come out, it's like, you got the vehicles right, but you got the people wrong. Anyway,
And now we're going to take this and attach it here. And take the other side and attach it.
Yeah, it should go in there. Let's see. There we go. That's it.
There we go.
And
So it looks like this.
yeah. Yeah.
I forgot to shave off that little nub.
You forgot to shave off the nub. Don't nub your thumb.
Yes.
Damn, he's just putting this stuff together now like nobody's business. See there?
Okay.
Wait. There's caps that go on there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, almost forgot. We do need some caps for the arms,
Look over there. Yep.
which are these, and we only need 2 of these.
There you go. One goes in right there, and the other one goes in right there, and
That
there and everywhere.
and that.
There we go. Awesome. Coming together. It's coming together.
Yes, it's coming together.
So that was panel 4.
That was panel 4.
Now we're on panel 5. Which is, if y'all just want to see what panels we're talking about, it's this stuff right here. And now we're at panel 5. And everything we got to put together. Then it's 6 and so on. So we're not just doing this blind, we're actually looking at something. While Colton's figuring out and I'm running my mouth. Anyway.
And now, I guess we now take the legs here and attach them onto.
Okay.
Okay. Here. Okay. This peg needs to go in here, this hole, and this hole just rests on this tab here.
Okay.
And now we of course need to cover these up with
Caps.
caps.
So we got caps to put in 2 of them.
Like that.
Okay. That's what it does. It just stays right there. Okay.
Okay, wait. Oh, yeah, and take the arms and attach them into these tabs, into these holes, and these holes rest on these tabs.
Yes. Okay. And now he's got to put the caps in.
And attach this in here. And attach this in here. And it's coming together. I think that the tail is supposed to move up some, because on the instructions and the box, it tells you it needs to move up more, but I'm trying. There we go. There we go. You just need to be very careful with it. Okay, so we have the Zoid all done. Now we just need to add the last few parts. So we need this thing, which
is missile pods.
Okay.
Okay, and it shows that it just goes down right in those holes right there.
Okay. These two holes in these pegs.
Yep.
That. And now we need
the other. Oh, okay.
Oh, here it is. The other one here, which goes into the same tabs and holes here.
Right.
And now we need D24.
D24. D24 is what's going to sit right on top. Okay, look right. Well, what does that say? There it is, right there.
Okay,
I can tell by looking at it.
right here.
And as a matter of fact, those guns come off too. D25.
So now this is gonna attach to that tab and this hole here. And you want it like this. And now D25.
Yeah, those are two blaster guns. Two, what they say they are? They don't say anything. They're just D25. Yeah.
I think you only need one of these for what the instructions says. And to attach it is on this tab and this hole here. And you can kind of give him double cannons. So you can have that. And for these things, you do need C21.
That was them little bitty sprues that we saw right there. Them right there.
Yes. And these attach to these pegs and these holes here.
Mm-hmm.
So they look like this. Okay. And we are about done. First, I'm gonna have to get these sprues out of the way.
Timber.
But you do get a little pilot here.
A little bit gray guy.
Which you can paint it up if you want to. And the little pilot just to have him sit inside the Zoid, open up the cockpit, and have him sit inside, close it up, and there you go. And he does come with
Look on the bottom of his chest right there. I see something. Does it go right there?
no, I think that this is where you would wind this up to have him walk.
No. Doesn't look like that. No.
This Zoid does come with a little thingy where you wind it up. I think this might be the one.
No, you ain't gonna put that there. You can try it, but I don't think that's gonna work. Nope. I don't think we had that little part in there.
Oh, I think it's from this thing that they're talking about.
Okay. Wait a minute. Slow down. Put this back on. Put that back on. Okay. Now,
Okay.
let me see something here. I keep on staring at something. Something keeps jumping out at me. Yep, that's what keeps jumping out at me right there.
Yeah.
That's what keeps on jumping out at me right there. That's what I keep on seeing. So now,
He does have a little peg on the bottom here that you can attach it to here if you want to. Okay.
now just let me see something here. Okay, no, you're right. This goes in that shaft, and that's what turns the motor. Once you wind it up, then for storage, you put it back in here
Okay.
on that tab.
Okay.
That's what it's showing.
Okay.
Had me kind of baffled too. I'm like, what? Okay, put that over there. Put this over there. Alright, now, before he gets to that, just want to show y'all, we done went through the whole panels and the whole sticker sheet, so everything
Well,
should be ready to go.
just the whole part. He does come with some sticker sheets, which are these, if you want to apply them on yourself.
Alright, which I don't know, I may do that, may not, I don't know. But yeah. Well, let's see if he walks. This is the moment of truth here. From what there you go, that's what I understand you do. So we're going to see, did we do a good job or did we not? Yeah. All right, hold on. Let me see something, Colton. Hold on. Just like he's setting up too high. There we go.
There we go.
All right, give me the wind up deal. All right, stop right there, buddy.
Okay. Here he goes.
Here. There you go. Yep, you got to push him back into play. Yep. Hey, look at that. All right, let's just do this right quick. Let me just kind of hold him up. So that's what this is right here. It's to wind them up. And do you have a little? Oh, put that little Megatron over here, over there on the TV. The little Megatron. Yeah.
What little Megatron?
The little Megatron. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Put him right there. There you go.
Here's Megatron.
All right, now we're going to see how this works here, y'all. Let's see what happens. All right. Oh, well, come on now. Really? Oh, well. Well, what do? Well, he just ain't that strong. Well, anyway. Maybe that motor, this little crank motor ain't that strong.
I think it might be because of age or time.
Could be. I don't know, it's doing good. And
this Zoid that does have a couple of features, like you could see here.
oh, come on. Got to be joking. Well, one time run, that's all you get.
And as you can see, you can open up these things to reveal missile pods. And
oh, wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh, well. Yeah, well, I don't.
okay.
Yay, there it goes. It goes right off. I don't know how that works. It's spring loaded. I imagine.
Okay.
But
okay.
It's spring loaded, but I would think that the hatch would open. But
So these two things on his back are functional. The back thrusters do pop out when you push on this button, and you can flip up these to reveal missile pods. And the mouth does open only about there and can close only about there.
And you have a little cockpit driver in there.
Yes.
Yeah. His fingers can move.
Yes. His fingers can move, and they can move independently.
Yes.
And the tail does move up and down, but the joint is kind of stiff.
Yes.
And this part, yeah, it does move up and down.
Right. The only thing I wish that these... Dadgummit. There it goes. I wish that the motor was stronger, but that may be all you get out of it. Oh, come on. You mean tell me that's all you get out of it? Come on, I want to see you run over Megatron. Yeah, okay, well.
Wow.
No, he's going to turn and run. Okay. That just ain't. Oh.
Yeah, the motor is not quite workable.
Yeah, I mean, that's just okay. We're fixing to get to our final thoughts here in a minute, so I just want to try and run over Megatron. Come on. You can. Oh, man. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can. Oh, well, this just ain't. Oh, look at that. Got him on his back. Oh, he got him. Okay. Anyway, well. Oh! There it went. All right, put that back on there. There it went. Oh, there's one. All right, let me see it. Find the other pod. Well, that's just not good. Yeah. Boy.
Okay, we'll be back with our final thoughts here.
He's breaking apart on me, y'all.
So stay tuned.